Hey guys, Aden from Plum Trade Services. Myself and the crew have just rocked up to a renovation property here in Werribee to install a 14 kilowatt ducted split system, which will provide both heating and cooling throughout the whole house. First things first, removal of the old natural gas heater, ducting and wall mounted split. Now we have the old system removed, we can proceed with the installation of both the new flexible ducting, which will be hung to allow maximum airflow, and internal unit, which will be mounted safely to the roof's structural frame. Next up, we will install our insulated refrigeration piping, which will provide the transportation of gas and liquid between our internal and external units. Once the piping is run, we can proceed with the installation of the condenser. The final few steps of our installation involve running a 20mm PVC drain on grade to the nearest roof gutter to discharge any water that will condensate from the internal unit. While I do this, the rest of the team will fit off the supply vents, return air grills and controller, followed by a total cleanup of any mess and a thorough inspection of the roof to prevent any chances of a potential roof leak. Thanks for tuning in. For all your heating, cooling, electrical and hot water needs, contact Plum Trade Services for a free quote today.